Hello, I am Radiofire. Today I'm going to be doing a review on a remote control car, which is a Ferrari. Not sure what type of Ferrari, but I know it's made by a British car company, not like Brum Brum car, but a remote control car called XQ. So I've already took it out of the box and they haven't put batteries in yet. So this is what the remote looks like, which you press the button, it lifts up and locks into place. So you've got this type of control, and then you've got the car, which I got this from Morrison's for £5. I haven't used it yet, so I'll see what it's like. Okay, so I put batteries in it, and you've got this controller here, which the antenna comes out, which that would screw into the bottom. I'm using this with one hand, so I have to use my feet to help me. So I'll put the aerial, I think it would be called, in and screw it in place. Right, I'll be back in a minute. So that was actually harder than I thought to put in, but now it's in and I turn it on. As you can see, the indicator light is now on. So this is what the controller looks like. I'm just checking something. Okay, so now I've put batteries in the car, which, oh yeah, by the way, this takes one 9-volt battery that goes in the bottom there, and this car takes 3 AAAs, or AAA, whatever you want to call it. And the batteries go in there, and you turn it on, which is then, oh, quite fast that. So it's actually faster than I thought. And then you've got turning. Hold on. I've only got one hand to do this, so I'll be back in a minute. I am back, and now, oops, I'm just resting it on another review I'll be doing in the future. So you might not see it very well, but anyway, there's a PS4 poster. But here is the car again. So the turning is not that great, but I mean, you get the hang of it, you can be quite good. If I was to rate this car out of 10, I would probably say 7.5 actually. I'm terrible at driving these types of cars, because this is the first time I've used one of these remotes. I've always used the other kind. So, basically, backwards, forwards. Which, this car is actually better than I thought. So, I can take that off, which I'm not showing you what I was resting it on, because it probably will be a future review. But basically, so here's the car, great and all. Oops, it's just run into. Okay, so this was the Radiofire review on the XQ Ferrari remote control car. Once again, I'm giving it a 7.5 out of 10. Goodbye.